We'll guide you through how to download music from YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and so you're wanting to download music. We're going to guide you through some different ways this can be done. So it's important you watch this entire guide and don't skip ahead. So to go and get started, what we can do is we can go and find the music you want to do it with. So press search in the top right. Now you can go and search for the song or artist. I'll go and search for Drake. Let's go and say I want to do it with this song here or piece of music. Now what you need to do is come beneath the video. You can see like and dislike. And to the right, you can find the three dots. Press that there and you'll see the option for download. Go and press it. To use this feature, you do need to have YouTube Premium. If you don't have it, you won't be able to do it and it'll prompt you to get it there. I already have it and it's now downloaded. Now it's even better to go and use the YouTube Music app, as in you don't have to go and download the video with the music, you can just go and have the audio itself. And to find it, you can press U in the bottom right, scroll down to your downloads, and there it is there. Alternatively, another way is if you're wanting to use music for videos you're creating for YouTube, like editing, what you can do is come out of the app there, open up Safari, press the search bar at the bottom, and you want to go and type in studio.youtube.com. and go here. That'll bring you here and you can press continue studio at the bottom. Now what you can do is come over to the left and go and find that music looking icon. This will go and bring you here to the audio library. You can go and scroll down. You can search and filter for certain tracks at the top. You can search and filter for different things at the top, and you can come down and press play and go and hear how it sounds. If you then want to go and download it, I'll just zoom out by pinching with my two fingers like so. And you can press download to the right and go and download it. And that will then go and be downloaded and you can go and edit and add it to your video.